Starting in Excel 2016, there are 6 new chart types. And in this workbook called Chapter 8, New 2016 Charts, we see the sheet tabs at the bottom, the 6 sheet tabs that represent the new chart types: tree map, sunburst, waterfall, histogram, Pareto, some people might say Pareto, box and whisker. On the last sheet in this workbook, as I click it, chart type icons, these are the icons that you see. If you go to the Insert tab in the Charts group, you see these 9 icons here. I've blown that image up. We see that to the left here. To the right, we're seeing what each of the 9 images actually refers to. So for example, sliding up one to the choice at the top of the screen here, in the Charts group, if I click the drop arrow next to this first icon, what do we see? Column and bar charts. So each of these corresponds. If you start to use these charts at first, you will at different times find yourself not knowing which of these buttons to click. You can get to them in another way as well. If you had some data highlighted, like the data in the lower right-hand corner here, and if you go to Recommended Charts, you will see some charts here. Then you can go to All Charts. But notice that in this list here, although this covers a lot of different chart types, not all of them are listed here. And so just to the left here, and you'll see the indicator below, the chart types that are in red do not appear in this list here. You will eventually find them if you pick one of the other types. So it's a little bit confusing at first. If you're trying to use some of the newer chart types here, you're not always clear where to find them. The ones with the blue backgrounds here, tree map, sunburst, histogram, Pareto, box and whisker, and waterfall, are the new ones that I mentioned earlier. So as you're working with the new chart types particularly, but even with older chart types in Excel that you might have used in the past, this will serve as a reminder for how to get to the different charts. Available from the Charts group on the Insert tab, and also when you're inserting a chart by way of recommended charts, you'll see a list right here as well.